kids, how are you all of you? In the previous class we have already done some topics. Today let's learn some different topics. Okay, let's start. So let's start from page number 16. Okay, we will start from page number 16. It's story time. Here you can see some pictures. They are different stories, famous stories that you probably have been listened these stories. Now what you have to do, you will write the name of these stories with the help of the box given below. You have a box here and we have already name of these stories here. What you have to do, you will look at these pictures and you will write the name of these stories one by one. Okay, let's start with the first story. You have the name of this story is The Ant and the Grasshopper. So you will write The Ant and the Grasshopper here. In the next story, you have The Boy and the Wolf. So the name of the story is The Boy Who Cried Wolf. In this story, you will see a jackal, a blue jackal. So the name of the story is The Blue Jackal. Okay, in the fourth story, you have a turtle here. And the name of the story is The Turtle That Fell Off the Stick. In the next story, you can see the hare and the tortoise. So name of the story is The Hare and the Tortoise. In the next story, you will see Tenali Raman and his wife, but the name of the story is Tenali Raman and Two Thieves. As I have written all the name of these stories, you will write the same in your book also. Okay, let's come to the next page. Here you can see popular animated characters. Okay, there are several characters that are very popular. Okay, let me tell you the name of these characters. Here you can see the name of the character is Simba. You have the films, famous films and their characters. Okay, so Simba is from The Lion King. The name of the film is The Lion King and Simba is the famous character of this movie. Elsa is from Frozen. Frozen is a movie and Elsa is the famous character of the movie Frozen. Po is from Kung Fu Panda. Hiccup is from How to Train Your Dragon. Okay, Rapunzel is from Tangled. Nemo is from Finding Dory. Sully is from Monster University. You have Monster University here. You will match Sully with Monsters University. Okay, Gru is from Despicable Me. Okay, Despicable Me. So you will match all these stories with their movies, with their famous films. Okay, and as I have done in the book. And let me tell you that in 1937 Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs was the first full-length animated film. Okay, Snow White and Seven Dwarfs. Okay, let's go to the next page. Here you can see that here we have some trees and some foods. Okay, fruits and vegetables. Look at the picture carefully. We have to match each one with the tree or plant from which it comes. Okay, write the correct letters in the boxes given below. So let's start with this. Okay, first of all you will see a corn. It's a corn. Okay, and the tree of this corn is B part is the plant of this corn. We get this from this. Okay, we got apple from A, from this tree, and lemon comes from D. Here you can see small lemons. Banana comes from this tree. A tree This tree gives us banana, and potato, we will match potato with this, and grapes, we will match these from part C. Okay, so you will write the same in your book also. Here we have the pumpkin. The word pumpkin comes from the word pepon. Pepon is a Greek word and it's mean a large melon. Okay, what does it called? Pepo, and pepon is a Greek word and it means a large melon. So you will write the same in your book also. Okay, watch the video carefully and enjoy it. Thank you.